Alright, I'm doing one of my favorite things, which is to get an old car that's been sitting for a long time up and running. So we're working on the Impala we dragged home yesterday. Had to replace the battery cables and the power cable. Got Catherine in the driver's seat. We have power, it's cranking over. I'm going to pour some gas down the carb and we're going to see if it'll run and do something. So check this out. Some gas in the carb, in the bowl, in the old Quadrajet. All right, Catherine, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah. You'd never know it's been sitting for 30 years. Oh yeah. She said you'd have to look inside. 402 big block, baby.